Okay, some of you guys want to talk about low maintenance yard. So I'm going to show you this job here, low maintenance. What low maintenance means. Number one, you want to do some deck space and you don't want to have very little maintenance. And manufactured grass is very, very low maintenance as well. So I'm going to walk you around this job and show it to you on how low this maintenance can be if you do it right. So the planters, to help keep out weeds and maintenance, they have this is not my house, this is a friend of mine's house out in Palm Desert, but in all the gravel areas of planters, there is a weed barrier, then they put a small gravel, low maintenance plants. Only maintenance, look at the hummingbird right there, you see it? But the only maintenance would be these star jasmine, trimming them once a month or so. But all the manufactured turf, no maintenance. These plants, you don't hardly ever have to maintain or trim these. Gravel around it, super easy. And manufactured grass here, some more gravel, simple basic plant, a little privacy hedge there, which will be needing probably every 3 months to be trimmed at some point, but not yet. And along the house, very simple and basic, grass up to the walls everywhere, and very low maintenance, and it looks great. So that is a very, very low maintenance and still look good. And the idea why it looks good is the manufactured grass. If this was all concrete everywhere, from the fence to the pool and all the way up in these areas, it would look like a concrete jungle. It wouldn't even look that good. So the idea of this with the grass, A, keeps it low maintenance, B, still gives the great look. I apologize about the dirty pool. We were here for 4 days. Yesterday, the huge storm came through, made a mess of everything. That's just a great job to show you.